size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles if possible. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Violent, Millville, Ribson, Cumberland, Glassboro, Clayton, Reno, Laurel Lake, Woodstown, Hallowell, Weymouth, Estill, The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Sussex County in southern Delaware, Kent County in central Delaware, north central Talbot County in eastern Maryland, southeastern Wayne and County in northeastern Maryland, northern Caroline County in eastern Maryland, and at 7:36 p.m., the few thunderstorms were located along the line extending from 9 miles southeast of Woodland Beach to near Hazlettville to near Star, meaning east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles if possible. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Dover, Milford, Harrington, Camden, Greensboro, Ridgely, Bowers, Goldsboro, Queen Anne, Woodside, Viola, Rising Sunshine, Lebanon, Town, Hazlettville, Dover Base Housing, Dover Speedway, Sandtown, Rising Sunshine, and Stone Beach. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go once into the basement or small control room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for central and southern Delaware, eastern and northeastern Maryland, and southern New Jersey. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been